Kaya pala tayo napapasukan na maraming droga Dahil you allowed the X-ray to be operated by a private company owned by the Davao Group. We want to be updated on this issue. Please sit down, please. Custom, may we ask about the path of going through this? Because the contract with the Golden Sun Cargo Terminal Corporation hanggang 2035, 2037. So, can you give us some updates on this issue? Kasi this will, ito po malaking kawalan ng pera sa gobyerno. Ang dami pumapasok dito. Kaya pala nawawalan tayo ng maraming containers because dito po pumapasok Yung mga smuggled goods dito pinapasok Surely dito. Bakit? Nasa labas yung X-ray po ninyo di ba? So tell us.
Your Honor, good evening, Mr. Chair. To be candid, at that time, Your Honor, I was still not connected with the BOC, but I have contacted our superiors to seek the proper information, Your Honor. But at this time, Your Honor, I cannot give you the answer, Your Honor.
Okay, can you please ask them?
Yes, Your Honor. I already...
Mamaya kasi hanggang alas 12 naman po tayo dito. You can ask them.
Yes, Your Honor.
So ask them about the direction of the Bureau of Custom with regards to this X-ray that are being managed by a private corporation. Because I think there is reason to cancel that contract.
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala akong nakikitang dahilan para hindi nyo cancelin yung kontrata Kaya pala tayo marami nababalitaan dyan sa Tagaloan na yan Yung pala ang reason Kaya marami nakakapasok Walang nagsasabi sa atin. This is the function of this Congress, the function of this committee, yung oversight power namin, now we are exercising it. Because we're losing a lot of money because of that. And Mr. Chairman, I just wanted to show you yung yung Golden Sun. Pakita mo lang yung Golden Sun. Can you kindly show the picture? Dalawang Golden Sun. Oh, yung picture. 2. Yan, kasi pakilaki mo lang. Mr. Chairman, ito po yung Golden Sun 999 Realty and Development Corporation na binabanggit po nyo kanina. At ito namang nasa kanan, ito yung Golden Sun na nag-ooperate po doon sa Tagaloan. Ito pong Golden Sun 999 Realty and Development Corporation is pag-aari po ito ng Eddie Yang, ni Rose Nonolin, ni Hong Yang Xiang, na kapatid ni Tony Yang, at si Alvin Tin Ganituen at si Lin Wen Sai. So basically makikita na muna po yung mga connection. And even dito sa ating government, napapaikot po tayo. They were able to get a subcontract lease, no, para mag-operate sila in a private capacity to the detriment of the government, losing a lot of money because the custom allowed it. For the meantime, Mr. Chairman, yun lang po muna at maraming salamat po.
Mr. Chair.
Thank you for your
Mr.
short...
Chairman.
Yes, Commissioner Lapena.
May I just express my agreement with the Honorable Congressman Fernandez. And indeed, our revenue collection will greatly improve if we have those X-rays. And in addition, maybe you can include this also in the program, is the automation of our customs. That from the port of origin, there will be already a declaration of the amount of the goods that enters our country. So pagkagaling doon sa port of entry, naka-send na dito sa Philippine Customs Port. So kukuliktahin na lang. And then if we automate, even yung mga brokers hindi na kailangan pang magpunta diyan sa customs area. Pwede na sila for automation na lang. And there will be less human factor at magkakaroon ng less corruption. Ma-address yung ating problema diyan pag if we will automate, Your Honor.
I agree with that, Mr. Chairman. Kung wala pong intervention na manggagaling sa pinakamataas ng ating pamahalaan. Mr. Chairman, I would like to invite yung sub-collector ng PBDEC Port sa MCT operated by the MIC PSI, si Attorney Tom Dagra, ang sub-collector niyan. At yung sa MCT Port Tagaloan, collector ng Region 10, si Mr. Alexander Lomontad. And at the same time, we need to invite those personalities as well of the Golden Sun Golden Sun Cargo Examination Services Corporation. The owner and at the same time the board of directors will be inviting them over to be present on the next hearing. Maraming salamat po.
Okay,
and also, Mr. Chairman, the PBDEC authority must be invited as well because I think sila po yung nagpalis ng lupa for 25 years.
Okay,
Thank you.
Comsec, please take note of the request of Congressman Dan Fernandez. So, salamat, Congressman Fernandez. So, the next and finally, the last to interpret on the subject of the second presentation made by PIDEA is Congressman P.M. Vargas, and then we will move to another presentation. Is this very short, Congressman Vargas?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay,
Maikli
please
lang po
proceed.
ito.
You have 10 minutes.
Thank you very much for your accommodation, sir. My very first question is addressed to Mr. Villanueva. Linawin ko lang yung pagkarinig ko kanina. Sinasabi niyo ba kanina na it is an impossibility na si Lin Wei Xiong at Alan Lim ay iisa? Or may posibilidad po ba?
Possible, Mr. Chair.
Possible. So hindi nyo dinidiscount yon. I would like to ask the COMSEC to show lang a picture. Kasi yung magkatabing black and white, magkaiba ng angulo. And magkaiba angulo, di ba? Naka-side view yung isa. So pwede ba natin i-show to yung nakita kong picture kanina na medyo pareho yung ano nila? Pareho yung, ayan. Okay? So medyo mas pareho po yung angulo dyan. Tama po.
Mr. Chair, hindi yan yung pinag-comparean ko, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Kaya nga po, iba to.